name's Joe.
Hi, Joe. Nice to meet you, Joe. Hey guys, Aaron with Homestead, New Hampshire. So last night, Chapel Tractor dropped off my demo tractor. So we're moving logs around today. So this is good times. I'm starting to get all the logs down out of the yard that we felled last year, and doing some chainsaw today. So I thought I'd take you along and kind of show you what I'm up to today. That's about it. So keep watching. We're gonna pick up our first log here. It works. It was awesome. So now I gotta buck up the rest of this stuff into 10-foot 2 links. That last one's pretty heavy. That was about a 13-footer. So probably maxing the tractor. Couldn't really lift it up all the way, but it's good to know what I can pick up and not pick up. And I'll tell you, this thing's a lifesaver. I've been sitting here looking at this stuff for almost a year. And it's gonna be nice to get it on the mill, which is showing up today between the hours of 12 and 4. More on that later. All right, so I'm gonna cut in 12-foot lengths so I should be able to get a lot of 2x6s out of this. And we're gonna use those to build the new shed in the back. So these will be rafters. I'm gonna try to get out of this one because that's gonna leave me with about 18 feet, which I can put on the mill. It's probably gonna be too heavy to get to the mill. So I'll have to figure that one out, but I think 12-footers are good. And if I have to buy some longer ones, I guess that's just what I'll have to do. But let's get this thing bucked up so I can get it over to the mill for later this week. Again, we're using the from Chapel Tractor, using the MS500 again, and I have chaps on this time. So there you go. Thanks for the recommendations online, guys. So there we go. I got all those logs that have been sitting there for the last year. I got them all bucked up and I got them over to the driveway. Kevin's coming in to excavate the pad for the sawmill and for the shed, and we got Josh from Francistown Sand and Gravel coming in next week to drop a bunch of fill and then sand and then gravel and compact it, and then we start building the shed.